Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I may look a little weird. I took all my makeup off, but I wanted to keep my eyebrows and my mascara. But today we are trying out the new KKW Beauty Concealers, which I'm really excited about. You guys know I love a good concealer. And after looking at them, and I was just watching videos from Kim and Mario doing it, try to stay away from other reviews. And I guess there's not a review, they're just showing how to do it so I could know how to do it and how to apply and all that good stuff. I thought I would use her concealer as a makeup, no makeup look. I just watched them or just watched it, and this is the KKW, and this is my Tarte Shape Tape. So her line is meant to highlight and lighten, whereas I have a darker shade for my Tarte Shape Tape because I'm not looking necessarily to highlight. So hers comes with 15 or 16 shades, and based on what they're meant to do, which is highlight, it kind of makes sense that her shading is the way it is, that it should match your actual skin color. So yeah, I'm kind of excited, and based on how I saw Mario apply it, it's after even swatching it, it's not as full coverage as the Tarte Shape Tape. So for those of us who have extra dark circles looking like we just are raccoons out here, talking about me, this isn't looking to completely cover that. And so I'm going to use it as my makeup, no makeup, because when I do a no makeup, man, saying that over and over again, no makeup look, I don't cover completely my dark circles because it looks too put together. It looks too matted and full coverage, especially when my face isn't full coverage. So I got number 8, and it came in this pretty type of matte look. That's her look though. It's matte pink, like this is pretty. And you get 0.162 ounces, which some people might say is small, but for me, if your product is good, then your product is good. You can talk about the number of ounces that you get or you don't get, what have you. I'm basically going to talk about the product and if it's good or not. And you can determine if you want to spend, I believe it's $18 for it or not. I'm not going to get in your pocketbook. Let's see. Her doe foot looks kind of like Kylie's a bit. And so I'm used to that big doe foot with Tarte Shape Tape. So everything else just seems small in comparison. So this is a full coverage liquid concealer with an ultra creamy hydrating formula, perfect for correcting and highlighting, and perfect for everyday use alone or in conjunction with the baking and brightening powders. I got her brightening powder, but I didn't get the baking powder, which I kind of wish I did, but when I went back to get it, it was sold out, so that sucked. Good for her, sucked for me. So this is what I do with my makeup, no makeup look. I kind of get the points I need to get. You know what? I normally start with my CC serum, but just to give this concealer everything, let's just go ahead and, this is really light for me. I'm used to wearing a bit darker, but the intention of her line, her concealer, is to highlight. Okay. So we're going to do the no makeup look. And I normally dab it in with my finger when I'm doing a makeup, when I'm doing the look. No makeup look, goodness. Because it's easier to add than to take away, and it looks like I definitely put too much on. Seems like a little goes a long way. So maybe this will cover my dark circles completely. Okay, I was wrong. This This is a lot more full coverage than I thought. Let me put some foundation on, since this is actually more full coverage than I thought. When applying it, I will say it's creamy. It doesn't dry down super fast, especially when you like blending things in with your hands. Me, you guys know that. All right, let's try again and apply this over it. And let's do what I normally do. So really here, a little goes a long way. I'm going to use my brush that I normally use. Okay. Definitely feel lighter, feel bright right here. I normally don't feel that bright. I believe Kim said there were some anti-aging benefits in this. It doesn't say that on her website, but I believe she said that. But okay, and let's try the brightening powder. The brightening powder, this is really pretty. This right here, that's really pretty. I like the clear. And let me go ahead and swatch it for you. Let's see. I got the number 2 because it went with the number 8. So it's kind of a pinky. I don't have a pink undertone, so we'll see how that works. And it comes with a mirror, which is cute. It's really cute. And this has 0.127 ounces. So let's see. I just brighten that up a bit. Oh. Let me see if I see it right here. Okay, it's like a shimmery. I can't see it that well underneath my eyes. Maybe that's just me. It's soft and velvety, but I really can't see anything. Maybe that's just me. It feels nice going on though. I do feel something going on, and I see the type of iridescent feel. I put it on my neck a bit. I see the iridescence right here. So yeah, let me finish my makeup and then I'll come back to you. All right, guys, I'm back. So my final thoughts are, I like the concealer. It's a lot more full coverage than I thought. And so you saw me change my look from makeup to no makeup. No makeup to makeup. And it's lighter because her whole goal is to highlight, which she achieved. With the, what is this called? The brightening powder, it's very subtle. And so in the light, I had to go in the other mirror in the light and I can see the iridescence of it. I couldn't see it at first, but when I went in the bathroom and I looked at underneath, I'm like, oh, okay, it's iridescent, it's shimmery, it's subtle. So I like both products. Now, is this replacing my Tarte Shape Tape? No, because my Tarte Shape Tape is more full coverage, and this brightening powder, will I add it into my regimen? Yeah, it's not overly dramatic, if that makes sense. That I like to say, I can sneak it in and my husband probably won't notice. He'd just be like, man, something looks a little different. Good? Yeah, okay. But yeah, these are pretty. These are something that I wish I had the baking powder. I really do, to try that out, but I didn't get it. So, but yeah, I like it. I like the highlighting effect. It's a nice product. I don't have anything against it, and you can make the decision if you want to buy it or not, or invest in it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this first impression, because yeah, it's a first impression. It didn't dry out my under eyes, which I really liked. It feels nice and smooth. So I finished my look off with Kimberly, by the way, since we were doing KKW. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video, and have a great weekend. Bye.